Hi friends and welcome back to hashtag ASR 99 Days Data Science Challenge, and today it is day 16, and today in this video we are going to look at dictionaries in Python. Python dictionaries allows us to connect pieces of related information, and every information are stored in a key value pair. Now let's create a dictionary. So let me say it's as dict. To create a dictionary, we use curly braces and a key and a value. Let me say it as name, and let's say Adith. This is here the name is the key and its value is Adith. And let's say last name, and it is and its value is Sreeram. And this is my dictionary here. Now let's access our keys. To access our keys, we will print dict of name. And here while accessing our keys, we get our value. And same for the last name. And now let's access our keys and values with using the function get. Dict dot get, and let's say name. And here I got Adith. And now let's add another key value pair to our dictionary dict. So dict of, let's say, x, and let's the here the x is our key and its value is, let's say, 100, and another key, let's say y, and it is, let's say, 50, and another color, let's say yellow. And now when we print our dictionary, we got these three key value pairs added in it. We can also modify the values in the dictionary just by changing the values. So let's say I want to change the value of variable x. So dict of x is equals, now let's say I want to change it to 50, and now when I print it, see, my value of x has been changed. We can also delete the key value pair in our dictionary. Now let's write out del of, let's say I want to delete the color, and dict of color. Now when I print our dictionary, and here the color is removed. Also use for loops in our dictionary. Now let's create a new dictionary, let's say alpha, and create some key pair values. A for apple, B for ball, and C for cat. And now let's use a for loop here. For x and y in alpha, dot items, print x for y. Oops, sorry. And we got it. So let me give a space here, and here it is. Now we got A for apple, B for ball, and C for cat. To find how many key value pairs are there in our dictionary, we use the function length. So let's say total key value pairs, and to find that length of, let's say, alpha. Oops, alpha. And when we print total value, here it is 3. So we have 3 key value pairs in our alpha dictionary. And in a similar way, let's say len of dict, and we have 4 key value pairs in our dictionary dict. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys clearly understood the basics of dictionaries, and with that we can meet tomorrow on day 17.